Hey guys, what's up? I am back on Insta Live as promised that I would be here this evening, and I'm here. Hello everyone. So let everyone come, let everyone settle down, then we'll have a nice chat, have a nice session of Instagram Live. What's up, guys? So I guess I haven't been live this year. So a very happy new year to everyone out there to start with. And I hope this new year is a fresh year. This new year is a refreshing year, and there has been a lot of changes. And I hope you have changed your whole lifestyle and looking forward in the most positive aspect of your life, all charged up. So I'm waiting for people to come up so that I can start my conversations. What's up? What's up, everyone? Chalo, I think it's good enough now. I should start off basically. So, everyone, what's up? And I'm here back on Instagram Live, and I'm here on this special occasion. Whereas it's 21/21, that is the 21st of January and 2021, and we are releasing our music video, Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gham, and I was just waiting for your feedback. Please write down your feedback if you like the video, if you dislike the video, or whatever, or if you liked any particular person in the video, or the direction, or the story, or the song. In fact, the song is fabulous, and I hope it's a song that is there in the loop mode in your playlist. And yeah, so please, I welcome all the feedback, and if you've appreciated enough, please give me your feedback also. So there you go. We can't see your face, but I can see my face. How's that possible? Someone saying we can't see your face. I don't know. It's pretty much visible. Are you guys able to see my face? Okay, anyway. So here you go. Pujit is asking me, why do I visit Hyderabad? Just curious, because most of my good friends, close friends, are in Hyderabad, so I have a very good time. It's always good to have good company, and that is why I visit Hyderabad. And of course, I love the food over there. Apart from that, let's talk about my music video. So here I go. We worked really hard. We had a good time in Goa. We were shooting there, and we had some amazing time. It was full of positive vibes. It was full of nice people and happy people, and we had a good shoot. And hopefully that is reflected in the video as well. And I hope you like the video. So please, if there is any sort of feedback that you would like to give, I'm there. I'm all yours. Shreya Agarwal, when is your next TV show? Shreya, I don't think I'll be doing TV for now, for quite some time. Let's see, I can focus on other projects apart from TV. So no TV for now. And hey, Tajpai, thank you so much. I love your acting, everything. Thank you so much. Okay, hey Jia, hi. Abhilash, give me some hair tips. Yes, bro. I think you should. We all should use olive oil. If you remember that why should we use olive oil? It's the tip given by Mr. Abhilash Kumar. What else? Aradhna, thank you so much. I was amazing. Thank you for the appreciation in the video. Thank you for all the love. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch the video Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gham on YouTube. You can just type Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gham on YouTube, and you can look out for it. And if you've liked it and if you loved it, please share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your loved ones, and please shower some love on that. And please watch the video as much as you can, as many times as you can, and give as much as love as you can. Thank you so much. Hey Nepu, hi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abhilash. Thank you. Thank you, Neeti. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Adiba. Hey Nisha, thank you so much. Hey Manisha, hi. Thank you. Hi. In love with your song. Thank you. The Glitzy Girl. Thank you so much. Hey Fiza Mansoori. There, I took your name. Hey Smita, hi. Hey Akansha, thank you so much. So yes, if you guys have any sort of questions, I just wanted to have a brief conversation. I wouldn't take long in this live chat. I will be there for a very brief period, but I would like to talk to you, share some incidences that happened on the sets of Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Hum. Well, it was a nice shoot, and I remember how much I used to trouble Khushali. Well, she's a wonderful human being, and she's a wonderful person to work with also. And I had a great time working with the entire team, even with the director Mohan sir, and he was amazing, and even the DOP Rajesh ji. So we had a good time, good fun, and especially when you're traveling, I become happy. I am always happy when I'm traveling and I'm shooting, so it's like a plus, and I had a great time over there. Hi Mishti, thank you so much for loving my show. Hey Dimple, hey Shweta, hi. Hi Noor, hi. Looking cute, tougher. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi Kashish. Hey Sakshi. Hi. Sakshi from Nepal. Hi. Your video is marvelous. Thank you so much. Hey Shweta. Hi. Hi Kruti. What's up? Hey Pooja Pathak. Hi. So anyone who has any sort of questions, please go ahead. And coming back to the show that I'm shooting for, Hero, where it's been going on since ages. I think we started off in 2019 December, and now it's 2021 Jan. So yeah, you can imagine. And we still have a few days left, I guess around say a week more, and then we'll wrap the shoot of Hero. Well, it's been a long journey, and it's been a tough journey, and I had good fun on the journey, and I had some great bonding with a lot of people, and also I learned a lot regarding the character, regarding the show. So I hope you guys love the series as well. When is my next song coming? Well, very soon. Let me get free from Hero, then I will be able to shoot something else. You're taking everyone's name except mine. Ritu, hey, hi. There, I took your name. What's up? Hi Shalu, love from Tamil Nadu. Hey. Your favorite line from the song? I remember when the guy says, "Mana ke kaisi duri hai, kaisi majburi hai, badlega ye zamana, badlega ye mausam, pehle pyar ka pehla gam." That is my favorite line. It's like a guy's comeback when he's telling her that I'm coming back for you and I'll come back to you. Hey, hi Manju from Malaysia. Hi Tisha. Why are you ignoring me? Insane one. I'm not ignoring you. Insane. Are you insane? Mera bhi naam. Hey Ishu. Hi. There, I took your name. So, what else? I hope the song reaches a milestone. I hope, because the song is really good. The singers have done a fabulous job, especially Jubin and Tulsi. Tulsi is a fabulous singer, as you guys know, and even Jubin for that matter. So I hope it's a good combo. Working with Khushali was a fantastic memory for me, and it was a great bonding that we shared a lot of in fact Goa shoot ka memories, and it was a good shoot. So I had a great shoot with her. She's a wonderful person, beautiful person in fact. And Tulsi, I haven't met officially, I've never met, but all the whatever we've spoken on social media, she's a sweet person, and she's a fabulous singer, of course, and I hope that we've already wished each other all the best, all the very best. So I hope the song does really well. And also, apart from that, Jubin, as you guys know, that a lot of people are in love with him. So he's done a fantastic job. So I hope the song overall comes out very nicely, and many people hear it, listen to it, watch it, and listen to it again and again, and at some point it becomes their favorite song, or at some point it's there in their head, it's there in their loop, in their playlist. So I really hope that happens. Hi Poonam Patil, hi. Hey Ranjita, what's up? Why do I look so handsome all the time? Thank you, Namrata, thank you so much. Hi Raghavi, I need to ask you something. Yes Raghavi, please go ahead, ask. Hey Monisha, hi. Hey Varsha, what's up? So anyone else, anything else you guys want to ask questions? Hey Sinti, hi. Take my name too. Soja, Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine. Hey Jasmine, hi. Hi. Hey Dolly, hi. Hi Rama, hi. Hi Jagtap, hey, what's up? Hi Shambhavi, hi. Hey Ryan, hi. Hey Bisht, hi. So yes, I've gotten a lot of good feedback from for the music video, and a lot of people have congratulated me. A lot of people, in fact, have said this is by far the best music video for me, and I'm grateful, and thank you so much. I thank T-Series for this, and I thank everyone for this who've given me a lot of support and love. And hey Advait, hi Advita. Ananya, what's up? What's your favorite part of the video to shoot? What's my favorite part of the video to shoot? Favorite part. So let me see. So there was a part, I'll tell you guys. So there was a part where, I don't know, in the video they've shown that we are partying in my room, and that's how Khushali comes up and she sees that we are partying, and some things have fallen on the floor, and we are dancing, we're busy dancing. So that was my favorite part, when actually Khushali entered the room, and I had actually played my own playlist ka music, and these people were actually dancing on the music, and I was like actually enjoying it. So it was a good fun shoot. Overall, it was a good fun shoot. In fact, I had a great time dancing or being on the beach, and just chilling over there, getting tanned myself. I remember I was telling Khushali that I wanted to get tanned, so I don't mind standing in the sunlight for the longest time. So yeah, and it was damn hot. Even in the month of October in Goa, it was damn hot, but we had a great time. Pinky, nice song. Hi, thank you so much. Thank you. Parth fangirl. Parth, tum dikh rahi ho. Parth fangirl. Hi. Your acting was amazing. Thank you, Pooh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for appreciating my work, and I hope you liked everyone's work over there on the show, on the music video. Hi, Ritaj. Okay, guys. So now there is time. It's time to show you something really interesting, and it is time to show you some good, crazy love that I've received today itself, this evening, from a couple of fans. And I would like to share it with you. They were so sweet that so I would like to share it with you, in fact. And her name is I think, yeah, I'll first show you the cake. Okay, yeah, as you can see. Okay, her name is Play Store, Kinjal. Hi, Kinjal. Okay, here is the kind of love that I received today, this evening. Thank you so much. It's lovely. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Also, I received this. So lots of sweets, lots of cake. Lots of love. As you can see, people forget that I am this guy. I'm not a human. I just don't become fat. People forget that I cannot put on weight because they just like to send cakes and chocolates and more cakes so that I can keep hogging and become more and more fat. That is their love. But thank you so much for sending so much of love. I'll show it to you once more. So if anyone wants to have this cake, please, you're all welcome to come on my set, and please send your address. I will be glad sending it. So yeah, basically Kinjal has asked me that apart from all the Indian fans, as my show will be airing on Alt Balaji, Hero, and people from Canada or people from abroad or US, how can they view the show? How can they watch the show? Well, it's a good question. And let me tell you, apart from Alt Balaji also, it will be airing on Z5 app. Yes, that's correct. Z5 app also will be airing. And if at all you don't get to watch any one of these apps, I will in fact check with the production team. I will in fact check with the channel also that what is the other option. Don't worry, there is still a good amount of time to watch. There's still a good amount of time to so that I can get back to you on this, and I will make sure that you guys are able to watch the show no matter what, because I don't want you guys to miss out on it, because of your love and because of your support, I'm here and I'm working consistently. So thank you so much for that, for spreading so much of love. Hey Palash, hi, thank you so much, yaar. I will see you very soon, darling. Ladka cha gaya, thank you so much. When is Hero coming? So Hero is coming in the month of April, mostly. We are trying for March, but April will be the month that it will come out. So yeah, it will be basically during summertime. Hopefully you guys are able to watch it, and I'm sure that you guys will love the show, because I'm pretty much confident that the show is full of action, full of completely opposite of what I've done previously. The language is completely opposite. The language is something new. It's very 90s. It's gangster. It's crime. It's musical. There's a lot of love. There is a lot of drama. There's a lot of fights, politics, underworld, gangsters, crazy stuff. Hi Sujata. Hi. Hey Nirvishi. Hi. Thank you Milivithil. Thank you so much. Thank you Riddhi. Thank you Kavya. Thank you so much Parsamtan Levin. Thank you Yashvi Punia. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm good, yaar. I'm good. You're amazing. Thank you. Stay happy always. Yes, I will. Thank you so much. If you guys are spreading your love, thank you so much. Anyway, I think it's time for me to leave, and I will just show you my last bit of it. Oh, by the way, this is my vanity. If you guys, if you guys are curious to know how does my vanity look like or something of that sort. So yeah. So this is my makeup guy, Mohak. Salam kya ho raha hai? Hi bol. Hi. Hi, Sheetal Kumari. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much. Hi everyone. Hi Saima. There I took your name. Hey Priya. Hi. Hi Dolly. Well, that's my vanity, and I will take you to introduce to my friends on the show who are there. Hi. तो मैं अभी लाइव हूँ फिलहाल. So I would like to introduce you. एक सेकेंड. हाँ. स्क्रिप्ट चाहिए? ये तो ही है, अभी तेरे ऊपर ही है.
ये प्रैंक है.
ये प्रैंक नहीं है. ऐसे प्रैंक मैं नहीं करता. तुझे पता है कैसे प्रैंक करता हूँ. अरे इंट्रोड्यूस तो कर अपने आप को.
अनुभव.
एंड क्या कैरेक्टर?
पहले दियो लाइव करो.
देख ले भाई. जल्दी बोल.
Hi, I'm Anubhav and I'm with.
You are an Indian and you are
Indian.
क्योंकि तू आज ऑरेंज पहना है, ग्रीन पहना है. You support India.
बाकी पार्थ भाई will tell you who I am.
Inshallah the boys played well.
Guys played pretty well, and this is Rohan playing Savla.
Okay.
This is Zubain. I'm drinking cold coffee.
Good. Thank you Zubin for telling your activity. And you're playing Mushtaq.
Mushtaq.
और वो कहाँ है?
Yaqub and Jagan is somewhere.
In the washroom.
In the washroom.
Oh,
Always in the washroom.
So Jagan is in the loo right now, so we can't access through him. Otherwise, you guys will be embarrassed and you will shut the live. But anyway, it was lovely. Oh, he's out. Is he out?
कहाँ?
नहीं है. Anyway, so it was lovely catching up with you guys, and I had a great time, and I will definitely catch up with you soon on the sets of Hero. And I just wanted to say hi to everyone out there, and I had a great time. With you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Okay. So anyway, I will see you, and it was lovely catching up with you guys. It was lovely answering your questions, and had a great time. Again, let me remind you, my video is out, and my new music videos. Or sorry, I just blacked out. My new music video is out. Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gham. Please watch it on YouTube. It's out there, and you can just type Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gham. It has me and Khushali Kumar in it, and the song is beautifully sung by Tulsi Kumar and Jubin Nautiyal. And of course, I'm sure that you guys will love the song. It has a nice melody. So I hope that you guys love the song, like the song, and if you guys like it, please show it to your family, please show it to your friends, please show it to your loved ones, and share it as much as you can. Please spread love, spread happiness, and I shall see you very, very soon. And inshallah, this song should touch millions and millions and millions and millions. So let's see, inshallah, hopefully, praying the Lord that it should really do well for all of us. On that note, I will sign off, and I shall see you, and I'll catch up very soon. Cheers, stay blessed, stay happy, and spread love. And please watch the song again and again and again. Please watch the song and enjoy the song as much as you can. Thank you so much. I shall see you very soon. Cheers. And I still didn't find the button to end this live chat. Where do I end it? Yeah, got it finally. God bless you. Cheers.